Hello everybody, welcome back to salyantiques.co.uk. Today I'm looking at some Dinky Toys and Corgi Toys, that type of thing. Just going to pick out a few examples to show you. These things can take us back to days gone by when they're examples of the real thing. I'm going to start with the Fiat actually. Now this one is the Fiat Abarth 2000 Scorpione. Now quite a futuristic looking little car. Pack box up. And it had one of the features was this shotgun type exhaust that stuck out at the back. This was actually a direct copy of a concept car from 1969, so very futuristic for its time. Never really got put into production, but lovely car. But you might know the name Abarth from the Fiat 500s that go around, the sporty ones, because Abarth is the sporty section of Fiat. They do all their racy type stuff. So interesting little car there. It's in this cabinet over here. I'm going to have a look at something a bit closer to home now. If you recall the bank robber and heist type movies and series in the UK back in the 70s and 80s, you would have been hard pressed not to miss one of these. The old Bedford van, where all the robbers used to get in the back with their shotguns and put their masks on and everything, had the sliding door and everything. So this is the sort of thing they would use for that. And they would be hurling them around corners, they'd be almost tipping over. Great fun, great to watch as well, very dramatic. But you also had the Sweeney. You can all remember this, Jack Regan and George Carter. Now, on the opening titles of the Sweeney was a Jag, just like this one. It was a silver one, but all the baddies had Jags and all the police had Fords. Ford Granadas, Ford Escorts, Mark IV Fords. I think there was the odd Hillman Hunter I can remember in there, but mainly Fords. But all the baddies had Jags because they were the thing to have. Nothing's changed really, has it? So I'm going to put this back in its cabinet and have a look at what we might look at next time. We've got some fantastic models here. One of my favourites is the James Bond DB5. We've got the Batmobile. But if there's one particular thing you want us to show you specifically, please drop us an email and we'll do it for you. But for now, from salyantiques.co.uk, see you next time.